Nnamdi Kanu may be released on 15th come December. One of Representative Umuahia have revealed that Nnamdi Kanu will be released come December 15th, that he will be glad and be one of the people that will welcome him home. No be small thing o, as that one dey go, they say Mr. Ibu don send greetings to people wey contribute for him surgery for him leg. He say, "Mona, thank you for the good work we una do." No be small thing as that one dey happen. One of our brother don call out Igbo people in Lagos to have a second plan by bringing the investment, the market home, so that when the Lagos state decided to demolish every houses that belongs to Igbo people, they will have a place called home, that Ali will have enough space to contain even more of Igbos all over. My people, let's go and look how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are here to update you of everything where they happen all over, for Africa, for Nigeria, for inside Biafra, and for all over the world. With there, Gidigbam, they bring you Ogbonge news as they hot. Without wasting time, before we proceed, may you check whether I don't give this channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Quickly do so immediately. Let's jump into the matter what we get for hand today. They say one of our brother where they represent Ikwano, I don't come aside, come call us say that Nnamdi Kanu may be released on 15th December. Say Ingo be one of the people we go receive him. Say don't tell this government, say may they leave Nnamdi Kanu, say only say if they no one peace for Southeast. But if they want peace for Southeast, as they have claimed, they are working like the army have quite that Simon Ekpa is the reason why peace have not returned. He have been sabotaging their effort. But now this man have said that if peace will be in Southeast, that means Nnamdi Kanu has to be released. No be smart, you know. We'll play you the video. May you watch. May no blast say they talk too much.
Face of the representative of North Umuahia South, Iguano Federal Constituency of Abia State. So this is their office. I'm just merely representing them as at now. My name is Honorable Obi Agocha. I'm from Ohoho in Umuahia North, and in the House of Representatives, I am the chairman of chairman, meaning that my committee has oversight of all standing and ad hoc committees, oversight, monitoring and evaluation of all outputs of all standing and ad hoc committees of the 10th House of Representatives. I'm also ad hoc committee chairman on security and insecurity in the Southeast, with special emphasis on Isukwato and Umunochi local government areas of Abia State. We've said that part of returning the normalcy in the Southeast goes through the federal government to unconditionally release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from unlawful detention that he has been in. He needs to be given the opportunity to reunite with his family and to go about his business as a free citizen. And the time has come, and the time is now for federal government to show good faith. We're pleading to them to show good faith to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from unlawful detention. So if the lease award and Nigerians took cognizance of that, I think is, amongst all other consideration, is my continued demand for the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that has maybe drawn myself to the attention of Nigerians to vote for me as the personality award, or to give me the personality award in the area of security as at this time. So I want to use this opportunity as well to continue to encourage the federal government to move them towards that direction. The federal government this government honestly has been open-minded in that direction, and I hope we will continue to move in that direction. And hopefully on or about December 15th, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will walk away from unlawful detention. I'll be part of the people who will receive him and to ensure that Ali Igbo, all those people who are using his name to commit all these crimes and criminality will have nothing else to do and to end.
Yes, my wonderful people. Una don hear wetin our brother wey be honorable talk for this video, say that our leader, Ebu leader, the great prophet of our time, have said that he will, that is, our great prophet will be released. That one na shut down. Other people go explain tire. Yeah, my people, may we let us know what you think for this video we will play right now in comment section. If you wish Nnamdi Kanu, if they're hungry you to see Nnamdi Kanu very soon, just write for this comment section, release Nnamdi Kanu, release Nnamdi Kanu. Want to see comment full ground, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu 15th. Now what you want to see for there. Let's quickly jump into the next matter where we get for a hand. One of our brother don't come outside, call out the Igbo, begging Igbo brothers that if we think of bringing our investment home, it will label us as well to talk about the things that we don't have in Igbo. Having an international airport, not the one they measure with their mouth, but it's not real. And also having a way of having a sea, as in we can drill our rivers that can be able to connect to sea, so that we'll have some ship or some cargo ship that will come in to our seaport. So it's only where we'll make a move that we can be able to achieve this, that the Igbos to think home. So we'll play the video, maybe we'll watch before we come back and continue.
In the Igbo, we must always think about Akuluno, the economic Biafra, as I choose to call it. Not Biafra as a state, but Biafra as in the economic sense. The Igbo people has always tagged themselves to be nation builders. You build other people's terrain and other people's land, and then you allow yours to go fallow, uncatered for. We know most times, we look at the challenges of coming to build in the East. You might talk about the seaports, the airports, and its functionalities. But I tell you one thing. The event of 2023 general election should have taught you all a lesson, a very big lesson, that you must come back home, develop your region. Akuge no obi esie gi ike. Akune ishi obi ike, the Igbo people will always say. But how come? Or what about a situation where ikpatacha akụ akụtuo ya na alaba? Or ikpatacha akụ lụcha ya bụ onye ọzọ agba ya ọkụ? We must think about our own people, not just for the now, but for time to come. Where do you want us to be? Have you forgotten the dreams that Michael Okpara had for the Igbo, when Igbo was the fastest developing economy in the whole of Africa? UNN was built with wealth from industries, which was as a result of the palm production of the southeast in the then eastern region. The excuses you were looking at, or that you're looking at, didn't deter him and were very progressive. Why now? When the Biafrans lost the war, a lot of people's properties were confiscated. Your money seized, and only a minor fraction of your total sum was given to you. Yet, you want to build bridges. You are building a bridge And at the tail end of the bridge, the person you're going to meet is cutting off the bridge. What do? You come home, reconsolidate, build yourself, and then we go again. That's my wish for Ndibo. You cannot develop other people's land and leave yours in tatters. Bido begi lobaya before a puwilo. Ani sinono amaloma emegene apunama. Come back home. Develop Alibo. Look at the Lion Business Park in Enugu. I know you. Yes, you. You will rush to Lekki and then you will buy water and then some fuel. When you have a table land at the Lion Business Park, there are lands everywhere in Anambra. Look at Ebonyi with all the prospect it has for farming. Look at Aba with all the prospect for industry, production. Is it that we do not turn out enough graduates from the universities in the East that you have to run to Lagos? And this has led to an exodus of people, the youth, and even technically inclined people from the East down to Lagos. Now, on Moto Mebia, I will have to go to Lagos for my car to be repaired by my own brothers. Or go to Abuja. That is also a dry land. There is no water. It's a desert. But you choose Abuja. You choose Lagos. Come back home. Let us build as one brothers. And as Salumbala, Anoa Yezurai Ncha. Think an Igbo first.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched this video, let us know what you think about this, what our brother just said in this particular video. Let us know your own view of what you think. If you fully support what is our brother they talk, may you right say you support them for waiting they talk, the advice we're giving them. But the issue is that the people who they talk to, they go listen to us, they go hear us. For Igbo, most of the problem we will get, if you ask 70% today, they are running from their village people, from their uncles, from this one, from this person, from. So as a hard time that we're going to liberate our mental, as in our mindset, the way we're raising, is a high time that we are going to do so in order way to be able to think home, because some of our people refuse to go home because one of their uncle may kill them. That is what they are thinking. That is what come to their, or one pastor have scammed them somewhere else and tell them, oh, that your uncle, there is a problem, don't go there. If you go there, you're gone. And that person will remain in exile for no reason. So this is most of the thing that is disturbing our people. So it's a high time that you confront that your uncle and say, uncle, pastor say you want to kill me, oh yeah, see me now. And may you know whether the uncle will get man kill you. So our people have to liberate their mentality and the way they are raising, and we have to challenge this once and for all and be able to be a free people. So my wonderful people, please, I want you to share this video and make sure that you follow our Facebook page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are here to bring you Ogwenge news updates and also leave you to contribute. Please drop your comment respectfully. Here we only bring you update of things that is happening all over the world. So only support where you go fit give us now to share the video more other people. See ya. Thank you so much. We will see you for the next update.